See 20th question of the exercise 6.5. Show that the right circular cylinder of the given surface area and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. Which means we have to show that the height of the right circular cylinder will be equal to the diameter of the base. Then its volume will be maximum. So in every question there will be given something. Okay, here also given what? The surface area is given of the cylinder. Okay, so always we have to try to convert the equation in the given form, which means because here the radius will be also there, height will be also there, so there will be more variables. So reduce the number of variables, you can convert in the form of given, because that is constant. That will be constant always. Okay, whatever is given. So here surface area is given, so it will be constant. So let us assume let the radius and the height of the right circular cylinder be R and H respectively. Okay. So surface area of a cylinder will be 2 pi r h plus 2 times pi r square. 2 pi r h plus 2 times pi r square. Okay, this is the surface area of a cylinder. Equation 1. We will use that. Okay, here we will find the value of h here. Why? Because volume we have to find, and volume of a, you know that this is volume of a cylinder equal to pi r square h. So here volume equal to, you can write pi r square h, which means here 1, this pi is constant, 1, 2 and 3. 3 variables are there. Okay, so you have to try to convert this into 2 variable only. Means you can substitute value, because given is constant always. S is given here, surface area is given, so S will be constant. So either you can substitute R value or R square value or H. Okay, from this equation in the form of S. Okay, so we will try to put the value of H. Okay, so from this equation we will get S minus 2 times pi r square upon 2 pi r will be H, and that H we will put in the equation 1. Okay, so volume of a cylinder will be pi r square into H. So H will be what? S upon 2 pi r minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. Okay, we substitute here h value, that we have separate s upon 2 pi r and 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. Okay, so it will be cancelled something, this r will be also cancelled. Okay, which means we can multiply this. So volume of a cylinder will be pi r square bracket of s upon 2 pi r minus, only r is left here. We can multiply even this. So v equal to, we will get pi r square upon 2 pi r minus pi r cube. Okay, pi r cube. So into s also. Okay, so pi will be cancelled, r will be also cancelled. So we will be, finally we got r upon 2 or s upon 2 into r, s upon 2 into r minus pi r cube. That will be easy for differentiation. Okay, now differentiate with respect to r. Now it's converted in the 2 variable v and r. Okay, so we will differentiate, because we have to show volume is maximum. So differentiate with respect to r. Okay, S is constant already. Differentiate with respect to R. So dV upon dr equal to this S upon 2 will be constant and dr upon dr will be 1 minus this will be 3 pi r square. Okay, 3 pi r square. Now we will find the second order derivative also. So d square v, this will be equation 1. Equation 2 will be, because already we gave the equation. D square v upon dr square will be, this is constant completely, s also is constant, upon 2 is also constant. So this will be 0 minus 3 to the 6 pi r we got. Okay. Now this is the second order derivative, which means we got minus 6 pi r. Okay. Now we will find the value of r. So dv upon dr, we will substitute dv upon dr equal to 0 in equation 2. So this will be s upon 2 equal s upon 2 minus 3 pi r square equal to 0, which means s upon 2 equal to 3 pi r square. Okay. S also we can substitute. We will get s equal to 6 pi r square. S also you can substitute. What is the value of s? This 2 pi r is plus 2 pi r h plus 2 times pi r square equal to 6 pi r square. Okay. So we can shift this value this side. So 2 pi r h equal to 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square. It will be 4 pi r square. Okay. Now this h will be h equal to, we will get 4 pi r square upon 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So 2 2s are 4. Pi will be cancelled. This r will be cancelled with this. With h we got 2r. Okay. H we got 2r. Where we have to show now this volume is maximum. Okay. H we have to show this one only. H is equal to the diameter of the base. So 2r is the diameter of the base. We have to show it is a maximum. So we will substitute here. This we already got a d square v upon d r square equal to minus 6 pi r, and this is d square v upon d r square is already negative, which means volume is for any value of r, for any value of r, because r maybe it always will be constant, r will be always positive. Okay, r will be always positive. If r will be less than 0, so we can't make the cylinder. So r will be always positive. So always for any value of r, this will be always negative, which means volume will be maximum at h equal to 2r. Okay, this one only we have to